Evacusafe's tracked evacuation stair chairs are designed to enable the safe and comfortable evacuation of mobility-impaired people in the event of an emergency, such as a fire. The XL model is Evacusafe's top-selling tracked evacuation stair chair and includes significant upgrades from the standard model for additional comfort and safety. Lightweight yet incredibly strong, the chair can accommodate a passenger weighing up to 500 pounds. Begin by removing the protective cover and then place the chair on the ground in a suitable position. Engage the brake mechanism by pressing down on the footpad. Next, open the chair using the black handle. Ensure that the two red locks on the back of the chair have clicked into place. Transfer the person onto the seat according to your personal emergency evacuation plan and fasten the support harness over their shoulders. Rotate the armrests down and open the footrest. Open the two red spring clips that allow you to raise the handle. Once raised, close the two red spring clips and ensure they've been engaged to lock the handle into place. Release the brake mechanism by pushing up on the footpad. Move the chair to the top of the stairwell with your hands in the pushing position on the outsides of the handle. Place your foot on the green track assembly bar to lever the chair back. Maneuver the chair forward onto the top two steps, making sure that the tracks stay in full contact with the stairs. To make the chair descend, push the handle toward your feet. This will ensure a smooth, controlled descent. Once you reach a landing, return the chair to four wheels and maneuver to the top of the next flight of stairs. Once you've reached the ground floor, maneuver to the final exit. To return the chair to storage, fold the footrest and armrests back into the closed position. Undo the red spring clips on the handle, gently lower the handle and close the spring clips. Lift the handle until it locks into place. Next, close the chair from the side by releasing the red locking mechanism on the track. Once you're finished, place the chair back into its storage location and replace its protective cover.